To create a new proposal, start by clicking the Create Proposal button on your dashboard. This opens the proposal settings screen where you can configure all the basics: branding, structure, and settings for each page in the proposal. Right at the top, you'll find the folder options. This is where you choose which folder the proposal will go into. Next is the company or recipient name. Add the name of the person or company the proposal is for. Then give your proposal a proposal number. On the preview page, this is where the company name appears, and here's where the proposal number shows up. Below that is the title. This also forms part of the URL link. Then add your description. Again, in the preview, this is where the title and description will display. Scrolling down, you'll find settings for the splash page, the welcome screen before the viewer enters the proposal. Start with the call to action button text. You might enter something like "Click to view proposal." Then customize the button color and text color. You can preview how that looks here. Next, you can also control the background image effects. You can set a blur amount, pick an overlay color, and adjust its opacity. Together, these settings create a welcoming, visually rich splash page. Below that are the banner settings. These apply to all the page banners in the proposal. You can adjust the logo and overlay color here as a global setting. Then we have personalization codes. These make it easy to customize template proposals. For example, a company name code will automatically be replaced with the recipient's name. You can also add your own custom codes. Now onto images and logos. First is the splash page background image. You can upload and select that here. In preview mode, here's where it appears. Then there's the company logo. Depending on your splash page design, you may want a reverse color version, for instance, a white logo instead of a dark one. Just toggle off the global logo setting and upload a new version here. You'll also find sidebar logo controls. Finally, there's the customer logo. This lets you upload a logo for your client and have it appear in the banner of each page. You can also choose to turn this off for individual pages. Once everything's set up, click Create Proposal, and your proposal is generated. You'll now land on the Proposal Edit page. This is where you'll build the actual pages and sections. From here, you can return to the proposal dashboard. You'll also have access to all the setup settings you just entered. Everything is saved and editable. So if you want to change something, just update it here and click the Update Proposal button. Back in the dashboard, you'll see the new proposal listed. You'll see the title, its draft status, the customer name, date created, and how many pages are in it. To start editing, either click the Edit button or open the drop-down menu and select Edit from there. That'll take you back into the Proposal Edit page. As you can see, there aren't any pages yet, but we'll cover adding those in another video. For now, just remember that you can revisit and edit your proposal settings anytime using the drop-down menu right here.